Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'll be replacing my blinkers, and actually I will ask you a favor. English is not my main language, but I usually call to this, I don't know, blinkers. Always I call it blinkers or side lights or front side lights, I don't know. But leave in the comments what is the right name for this in English. In Portuguese it's piscas. Basically it means blinkers, but I already saw people calling other things like front side light, I think, front indicator light, turn light, front turn light, or something like that. Leave in the comments what is the right name or how you call it, because I don't know. If you follow me since the beginning of this project, or since the project of the Micra, you know that I replace everything in the front of this car, and the blinkers actually were new, but they start getting, you know, with water inside. I don't know, they are really with the bad looking right now. Probably the quality of them, the ones that I chose, was not the best, so I bought another ones because I don't want the new owner of this car have, like, you know, that kind of foggy blinkers. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget the thumbs up, and let's go to replace these blinkers, side lights, I don't know, let's go. So guys, take a look of this. You see there is a lot of water inside. Actually you can see the difference between the, you see the headlight and the blinker. Take a look at the difference between this and this. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to turn this plastic piece here in the corner. All you need to do is to turn this thing and pull up. This blinker will come out this way. But you can use, you know, a plier, or you can use, in my case, I'm not sure if they all have, but in my case I can use a screwdriver. So let's see what is the best for me, because I forgot my pliers. When you install, the spring stays in this position, and then you will lock it. Okay, you will see that you can lock it, then you can turn. So the position of this spring, it's really important. There is two plastic things that goes inside here, and then the spring goes in here in the middle. Then you can lock it and turn it in order not to release. Okay. So guys, my blinkers are installed. Just a recommendation, don't use this kind of pliers, use the longer ones. I just used these ones because I forgot my long one. And as usual guys, see you soon.